Hello everyone. When researching for a job interview, candidates need to focus on several important things to make a good impression. First off is cultural score because it reflects professionalism. Usually, formal clothing is the best choice. The outfit should be clean and suitable for the company culture. Second, candidates should organize the document needed mm, in the job application package. The typical include a CV and copy of certificate and reference. If so, the candidates is well prepared and professional. Third, it's essential to research the information about the company and understand the job detail. Candidates should learn about the company mission, vision, and present achievement. This knowledge helps them answer questions con- confidently and show interest in the jobs during interview. Knowing the job response speaks Billy asks also candidates to explain how their skill and experience and with a position. Finally, they should prepare for other things like asking common interview questions, arriving at the interview on time, and staying calm and motivated. So realization um, important because they help the candidate feel confident, free from pressure during in the interview, and encouraging their change of sketch. Thank you for listening.